Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account on Guru, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your account on Guru, start by visiting the Guru website. On the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to open the login page. Below the login fields, find the link that says Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link to proceed. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Guru account. After entering your email, click the Send Password Reset Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from Guru. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the password reset link provided. Click on the link to create a new password. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click the Reset Password button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message that your password has been successfully changed. Now, return to the Guru login page. Enter your email and new password in the appropriate fields. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, repeat the steps or contact Guru support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.